Hey friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing an unboxing of my March Wild Hair kits. I ordered and received my kit a little bit late this month, but I was diving in to create stuff and I realized it was so beautiful, I still wanted to share the video with you anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick flip through of everything. The first thing that I got was the Sunny Days embossed die cut sheet, and it's got all that gold foil on it. There's some florals, some leaves, a bird, some hearts, and it's all in one solid piece. Crepe paper doesn't have like a tutorial or any information really on how you're supposed to use them, but I think we're meant to cut them apart. I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to try to cut them apart when I use them. I really love them. They're embossed, so the flowers have a lot of detail. The butterfly has a lot of detail. And then we've got this Everyday Musings by Pink Fresh Studio journaling pockets. Got some gold foil on this one and this one. This one's super cute. I love that little scalloped edge. Got another scallop here. Lots of different fun shapes here. I especially love the little one. The scalloped edge is adorable. Then we've got some enamel dots because these are essential for me. Then from Pink Fresh Studio, we've got these puffy stickers, and they are from the same collection here as those journaling pockets. We've got some vines and flourishes, some words, lots of pretty stuff to use there. Then from Maggie Home Sunny Days, I am most excited for this item, and this is the 6x12 sticker sheet, and it's got so many beautiful things. It's got some gold champagne-ish foil on it. It has some silver foil on it, and then it also has some blue foil on it. So hopefully you can see that there, and you've got some pink foil there, and some pink foil here. It's very pretty. There are lots of foiled parts. The inside of that camera. It is all so beautiful. Love all that foil. And I just love the colors and the icons in this collection. I feel like they are so usable. There's nothing really weird like panda people or giant giraffes or anything like that. It's all stuff that I think I would find pretty easy to use because I love the beach, so even the seashells and stuff, no problem for me. That's what this looks like. There's the back side of it, and I especially love this quote, "Collect moments, not things," because I am on a path to minimalizing my life and simplifying it this year. And I've been doing that for the last couple of years, and I always love that reminder. So pretty. I love the colors in this sticker sheet as well. And then I've got some 6x8 papers from Maggie Home Sunny Days. We've got the fruit here, which is so cute. And then we've got some people on the beach walking their dogs, riding bikes, sun tanning. Very cute. Mustard polka dot here, and fun fact about me, I love the color mustard. I feel like I look particularly good in that color when I wear it. We've got this brown floral here with some pinks. And then this is where I had started using my kit already, and this used to be a 6x8 paper, but you can see I started getting into my kit, and then I was like, oh wait, I should film an unboxing. But this was a pink and blue stripes. And then this one is pink with gold foil birds on it. And they are so cute. I think they're little sparrows. I love sparrows. I think sparrows are like the cutest bird. They're so little. Then we've got some Vicki Boutin embellishments. And this was for my love of all things floral. So usually I don't use Vicki Boutin stuff very much. Her stuff tends to be a little bit too bright for my taste. But I'm excited to see if I can work in some of these flourishes into my layouts and try something new. She's also got some cute icons here for creatives. There's like a pencil and some paint brushes. And then we jump into the 12x12 papers. This one is a specialty paper from Sunny Days, and it's got the gold foil on the front. Love that pattern. It's so beautiful. And then surprise, I think this is a rarity here. It's actually a double-sided paper. So it's got that pretty pattern on the back as well. I think the Sunny Days collection is the first time I've had a collection where I've forced myself to use both sides of most of my papers I've received from the collection because they're so pretty. So I've been doing a lot of layouts on the front and the back of a page. Then we have this Pink Fresh Studio paper here. And there's definitely a huge quality difference when you get to Pink Fresh. Their papers are so much thicker. And this is really pretty. I love these tones of blue. And then on the back you have this floral. Then back to Sunny Days collection by Crate Paper and Maggie Holmes. We've got a polka dot. And we've got this beautiful floral. I can see myself fussy cutting this because that is gorgeous. I also love this side too though. We've got this beautiful map paper, which I love. And funny thing here, this is actually North Carolina, a map of North Carolina. So you've got Hilton Head Island here, and then you've got Wilmington here. And then I guess this one is actually Georgia. That one's got Savannah on it. Well, I don't know, because then it has Wilmington again. But Wilmington is not south of Savannah. I'm not really sure. Is this an accurate map at all? It might not be. Anyway, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia area is what this map is, which is where I live. And even though I live further inland, I still thought this was a really fun thing. Usually when paper brands do their map papers, it's always somewhere way far away from me. So I thought it was really cool to have something local. And then on the back of there, we have some different colored cameras from Pink Fresh Studio. There is this very thick, again, the quality here is just superb. We've got this beautiful light green and white floral pattern, and this polka dots with some different quotes on it. Very beautiful, and I love this color green. It's a very light green, easy to use. From Sunny Days, we've got this one, and this was a repeat from a paper that I got last month. And I told Allison from the Wild Hare Kids, if you want to give me anything Sunny Days, even if it's stuff I already got, go for it, because I am obsessed with that collection. And then we've got this one here. It's like a cream with all these different colored dots on it. And we've got this blue hearts on the back. I think I would have a really hard time using this. It's so dark, but I love this side. And then we've got this gorgeous paper. This floral is all the feelings. I love it. I love the colors. I love the cute little daisies and the vines. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then on the back, we've got some red and pink pattern there. Then the last 12 by 12 paper from Sunny Days, this was another repeat from one that I got last month, is this beautiful green floral. And then on the back, we've got this beautiful light pink with a mustard border. And then I almost forgot, the most beautiful part of this kit is this exclusive cut file from the Wild Hare Kits. Each month that you order a deluxe kit from them, you get this pre-cut exclusive die cut. And it's absolutely beautiful this month. It's this wreath with the florals, and I cannot wait to use this. It's so pretty and delicate and perfect. So that is everything that I got in my March Wild Hare Kits. And if you don't know about the Wild Hare Kits yet, they are a hand-curated kit club, which means you get to go to their website, fill out a style profile, tell them what kind of projects you're working on, what kind of designers or colors or embellishments you like, and they will surprise you with a hand-curated kit meant specifically for what you're working on and what you like. So you get a box full of brand new products, but it's a surprise. It's not the same box that everybody else gets. So that's super phenomenal. I've loved being on their design team the last 6 or 8 months or something like that. And yeah, I can't wait to dive into this kit. It's so beautiful. I will link the Wild Hare Kits down below. And if you want some crafty inspiration, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the projects that I make with this kit or with any of the stuff from my stash. And if you want to learn some of my favorite crafty techniques, I will link my e-courses down below where you can get crafty with me and learn all of my favorite tips. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!